Hello guys! We have a new gadgets here. Smart glasses. Let's review it. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Hindi siya ordinaryong glass lang po. Meron siyang camera. Pwede siyang mag-video. Meron din siyang speaker. Pwede ka rin makipag-call. You can call to someone and then you can listen the music. And then have a translation, guys. This one is the best. Any language can translate this glass. Let's try it. Yes. Yeah, we can try this one. It's on already. Now, tata, musiki. Go. Let's try the music, guys. Here. Did you hear, guys? This one, it's... Let's try the translation, guys. Let's try the translation.
Up, aloita.
Yeah, aloita. You try. Yeah. I speak Tagalog, guys, and it's that glass will translate it. Hello, mga kababayan. Mabuhay.
Puhun Tagalogia ja se tarkoittaa, että lasi kääntää sen.
Yan.
Angia kababayan mabuhay.
Narinig niyo yun, guys? O, diba? Ang galing. Natatranslate na siya ng Finnish.
Oletteko kuulleet tuon, kaverit? Eikö se ole käännöksen loppu?
Yan. At meron din po siyang camera at video. Let's try. Nata camera ya videos.
I take the picture of you.
Yeah. You see, guys, have a flash. And that one is a
Then this is the you.
video. We
Yes.
try.
Now it's recording.
Okay. It's me here.
This is the picture.
This one is the picture, guys, from the glass. And then the video. That is me. Diba? Malinaw siya, guys. Maganda siyang glass. At ouring ko, ano rin siya.
Yeah, these will dark.
Sunglasses
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. When the sun is shining.
Diba? Ang ganda. Yan siya. Ito yung ano niya, yung present niya. Yan. Yan, may speaker. Ang ganda, diba?